Okay,
go
Gordon
first.
Talbot. I'm a projects director at Ritchie Architects. So I've overseen the Sainsbury Wellcome Centre for Ritchie Architects.
I'm Chris Russell, project architect for the Sainsbury Wellcome Centre.
So Sainsbury Wellcome Centre, the award was for duplex, and that means coating of the galvanising underbase. So Sainsbury Wellcome, we've applied a fire coating, which is an intumescent coating to galvanising, which is I think is fairly unusual at the moment and is gathering pace. And then we've also applied paint to both the intumescent coating and to galvanising in various parts around the building. So Sainsbury Wellcome Centre wasn't an overstated galvanised project, although there is exposed galvanising there. It was much more integrating it with other finishes. When we started first looking at putting intumescent paint onto galvanising, we didn't find so many of the intumescent coating suppliers willing to do it. And it took a little bit of research to find out the key people that were willing to do that, particularly with all the complexities of it, of connection details and bits that are and aren't fire coated. So the Galvanised Association was very helpful in all of that. So a sort of question always arises with intumescent coating is that good enough to protect steelwork? And from our perspective, absolutely not, because generally they're quite soft coatings and they're not particularly impact resistant. So when you put slings around steelwork that has been off-site intumescent coated, it inevitably gets damaged. And the longer the fire protection you're looking for, the thicker the coating, the more it gets damaged. And when that material is sitting outdoors, the underlying galvanised coating becomes key, and it becomes key to ensuring that the final finish is without worry and concern through any damage that's already to the surface. The galvanising gives you that confidence underneath the fire coating.
So externally, there's a framework on the south facade of a screen of polycarbonate pixels that actually masks external surfaces on the building. That's all exposed, galvanized. You don't necessarily see it immediately from outside because you see the pixels, but it's there and the galvanizing is doing its job. That didn't need to be duplex for visual reasons in a white building. And there's also other smaller external structures which are exposed galvanizing as well. Internally, a lot of the services support structures, which are all on show, are all galvanized